In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on any iPhone device. So this will work for all models. So let's just dive straight in. So the first thing we have to do is go to our phone app on the iPhone. So I'll just tap into this one. Now once open, I'll go and tap on contacts. So you can either just scroll to the desired contact you want to block, or you can just search for someone in here. So for this one, I'm going to tap on Elon Musk. Now, depending on how much information you have on the contact, like email address, phone, all that kind of stuff, you will have to scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see block this caller. So now I can just go and tap on this and then go block contact. Now, if you ever want to unblock them, you can just go back in here and then go unblock this caller. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very straightforward. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.